For Hurricane Ian tonight, there's still a lot of work to be done elsewhere after the devastation that Fiona left behind. Mayor Eric Adams and other top officials just got back after visiting Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic. The mayor speaking with News 12's Christy Reeder about what help is still needed.
We're going to show the humanitarian action of what it is to be a New Yorker.
Just back from a visit to Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic, the mayor detailed the destruction he saw. One house was flooded with 14 feet of water.
There was a husband that was taking care of his wife who was connected to a generator that if that generator would have gone off, she would have lost all of her medical equipment.
The Office of Emergency Management was also there and still has people on the ground. The commissioner explained that this phase of the operation can be very dangerous.
5 years ago, during Hurricane Maria, 64 people died during the storm. In the aftermath, an estimated 3,000 people lost their lives.
Just like many people in New York, we heard family connections to the devastation.
I could not find my family for about 36 hours.
Watching her auntie there at the site, embrace her and see her niece that's now an elected official come into the country back to be there with her. It was just profound.
My wife's grandfather, he lives in Ponce. This past week, they've been having a difficult time finding him. We know he's alive, but we know that he doesn't have electricity.
Now that the mayor is back here in New York City, I asked him what are the next steps in giving help to those impacted by the hurricane.
Number one, we have to put our heads together to deal with the grid issue. Going back to the electricity.
The mayor says that impacts hospitals, water supply. He also said items are needed, like generators and bleach. Christy Reeder, News 12.